All right.
So it's on.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Barry. So, we have this guy to play with. This is a solar oven.
Okay, cool. I'm quite interested in seeing how it works and sort of what it's about, because I've heard a lot about it, so I think it's quite interesting to see how it works out here. So yeah.
Great. Well, we do some solar cooking here, and I actually want to do more solar cooking.
Yeah.
We've got a great concrete spot here that the morning sun comes up, so we could be cooking until very late in the day in this spot. This is one of my favorite solar ovens. Why don't you hold this?
Yes.
And the reason it's my favorite is because it's fairly portable. So you could go traveling with this one. This is a, I think it's aluminum reflector. You see how it unfolds like that really easily. It's awesome design. See how that works?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so we're going to concentrate all the sun into this. I'll go ahead and put that in there.
See, this is something I think we could try and use back home in England. However, you get the sun here, which we don't. So this is something I'm interested in looking into, researching maybe how many days of sun that we do get, and if it's a possibility that we could use this solar oven back in England. So
right, we could look at make a graph of how many hours of sun you get and what days of the year. And even though maybe you can't solve all your needs, you can at least reduce some of your energy use.
Of course, yeah. It could be used at certain points, yeah.
And of course this is very home scale. You can even travel with this. But there are solar ovens, like there's one in Oroville in India. So it's a big community. They have one that has a big solar collector in the roof. And channels all that energy inside the building. And they can just crank out the food. They're baking bread all day. And of course they have a lot of sun. So it's just like, I mean, this is like almost a toy by comparison. But they've got a building designed to use the energy of the sun. All right, let's take a little bit of a look at this. We've already got some water in here. This is a black pot inside of a glass pot, and it kind of has a little bit of a seal here. So between the two, there's air. Air is a really good insulator.
Okay, yeah.
A vacuum would be even better, but that'd be more complicated.
Right, yeah.
So we've got water in here. This is going to start heating up right now. Today, we're going to put these guys in.
One of my favorite potatoes.
He's from Ireland, so very stereotypical. Now, I cut these in half. Just because I want the flesh of the potato to be exposed. I want the heat to enter better.
Okay.
So let's dump those guys in there. Beautiful. Excellent. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn this to point at the sun. I'm going to actually put it a little bit this way because the sun is going to cross this way. So one of the to-do items today will be to come out here a couple times and move them this way.
That's what I was going to ask. So you need to keep rotating it with the sun's movement then? Okay.
Now, you could imagine a fancy apparatus to do that for you.
Yeah.
But I really feel like we're the fancy apparatus.
Right, okay. Yeah.
We're really flexible.
Yeah.
You know, if somebody's in charge of an entire solar kitchen, they could just come out here and go, whip, 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 and it takes no time.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
And if we have a machine to do it, it's going to break.
Yeah.
It's going to cost more.
Technology, yeah.
Right. So every bit of technology we want to be careful of.
Of course.
Anyway, we can also do some more testing on how long something takes to cook.
Yeah.
If these are cooked in 2 hours, we can empty it out and we can fill it up again.
Okay, yeah.
We could have also put in a lot more potatoes. We have what percentage full is that?
Like 10% probably.
Yeah, certainly under 20.
Yeah,
So we're not really using it to its full effect.
Yeah.
But anyway, great system. I'm glad you're here to check this out.
I'm excited to see the results and see what happens.
Yeah, okay.